Hello, earth lovers. Today we're going to talk about Ikenga. But before we talk about Ikenga, let's talk a little bit about Africa. One thing that makes Africa fantastic is that Africa is the birthplace of mankind. That's not all. Africa itself is majestic. Look at the pyramids of Giza, Victoria Falls, the majestic African elephants, rhinos, and the great African lion. All around Africa, there is power and majesty. Majesty. And why is there so much power in Africa? Why? Well, Africans need power to work. Human power, of course. Well, let's go back to the point, the Ikenga. In Igbo, we have a power structure called the Ikenga. There are different kinds of Ikengas. Some are for individuals, say a farmer, and some belong to the community, which the king can use for community prayer. So why do we have these Ikengas? The answer is simple: for power. One thing you want to know about power is that it is related to energy. A person who has power can create. They can create work. They can even pay you as if you've worked by giving you money. So having power is a kind of a pleasure, and people get sad if they lose power. A king or god can retain their clout by staying in power. And always remember, of course, that you are gods and goddesses. So you want to retain your clout by staying in power. One of the responsibilities of the king is to ensure there's enough food in the community. Shortage of food can lead to chaos, regime change, and loss of power. So there are certain things that need to be done in order to encourage and retain power. For example, the king has to be on top of types of seeds and timing of planting of these seeds. The Ikenga is a tool that helps the king focus on his mission of ensuring a bountiful harvest in the community. He consults the Ikenga before and after the harvest. Overall, it boils down to a tool that can help bring a person down to earth, keep them in focus so that they can have the intuition to govern their people, so that law and justice can prevail in the community. Firstly, before you are elected king, you must have shown your power of manifestation through how you relate to your own Ikenga. In those days, non-achievers are not going to be elected as king because the community can watch how you manage your own Ikenga, manage your manifestations, and how you relate to the people in the community. So this year, I'd like to ask you, what are your goals? Are they big or are they small? Do you need an Ikenga? Can you focus on achieving your goals this year? Let me know. Stay healthy and remain blessed.